We're all set.
Good. Things in position.
You want to tell me what you two were up to all night?
And spoil the surprise.
Speaking of surprises, your costume's in the tent.
Costume?
OMG, you look perfect! Only thing, where are your whistles?
Ask again and you'll be down to 8 lives.